Guys, let's double check the local zones for Arbitrum targets updates with my customer set. So the global idea, you remember, I believe that Arbitrum can hit the new all-time high. It's not just because I'm a fan of Arbitrum. I don't care about Arbitrum in general, like about any other tokens, just because of speculation. And I think if all Ethereum ecosystem, Ethereum will go to new all-time high, and I believe Ethereum will go to new all-time high. Arbitrum will follow, and main tokens also will follow. So in validation of idea, main one idea, it's a drop from current prices around 50%, 53% drop in validate idea of intention accumulation pump model. Until we trade inside this model, all levels are relevant. But keep in mind, from the test of the buy line on daily time frame, it was 1842. Guys, these zones will be not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit. So 27, 19, 36, 28, it's a zone where more than okay withdraw initial deposit and leave the free tokens. The K point for Arbitrum, we need to break this structure, the break of structure of August 25 high around 56.41. After that, I'm waiting the 71.40, pull back, and continuation higher. So let's hide the FIB and let's double check just the local zones on 12 time frame. What do we 12 time frame, 4 time frame, daily one? What do we can see? So if this is a reversal, main and real reversal move of the market in general, if BTC will go now to 95k to over than 100k, I think the alts will follow, and I think the Ethereum will follow. So we can talk about 33, 38. It's a take profit line. Let's add alert to the take profit line on the daily. This one exit line 37.65 at this current moment. All lines are dynamic. Arbitrum is so underrated. So the test below, just below test of fundamental value, it's 27.20. Fundamental value of a buy line on a weekly, it's 36.82. Take profit line on a weekly, 72.50. Exit line on the weekly, 81.88. So it's so important to break the structure 62 around here, over than 50 at least. Break, test, and after that, we need to pay attention about a time. If, for example, I don't know, maybe it's possible, of course, we can consolidate long-term period here. We're going to waste the 2026. In autumn, we're going to bounce to $1.60, and it's going to be the end of cycle. Yes, it's possible, guys, because I think that 2027, 2028, 2029, it can be the bearish years, right? Maybe not 2029, but 7, 8, I think is going to be the bearish one. Similar to 2025, maybe worse. But we need to pay attention about time. Now it's really important to move higher over than $1.20 by end of, I guess, by end of March. So in April, May, and you know, I'm waiting the new all-time high, not this week. So it's not make sense to count this week candle. No, I'm about the just the basic one, just over than $2.40. So that's a big difference. You know, I don't know why some exchanges list the tokens with this week. So it's kind of strange. Right, so now all zones I showed you with the take profit indicator. If we talk about a lines, also here is this is a 200 or not, or it's 100. 100 EMA on weekly, it's a test 63. So all eyes now on the test of EMA, test below fundamental value 27. After that, test below buy line, hold the line, consolidate with the volume. And we need to see that money inflow. And yes, we saw the money inflow in November, like 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, money inflow. We lay down at the bottom. So guys, technically, of course, we can go to zero. Any token can go to zero, but now it's not a time to sell. Time to sell will be when we will see some money outflow. Let's add alerts, yes, to money outflow on a weekly. Last time money outflow was here at the top, November 24, December 24. I think the money outflow we can see at the test of take profit line and exit line, and till that time we will see the notification from the money power. Highly recommend you add the same notification and just track it. Pretty simple, and help you a lot. So also Arbitrum in accumulation zone. So this is a definitely accumulation by A to Z. This was the last accumulation in the summer 24. We pumped it from 46 to $1.23. Now we are at 18, and I think the road will be open over than $1 for sure. Based on direction, it's also not a time to sell. Time to sell will be at the top. Now it's just accumulation. So it's not because seasonality or so. No, just because of price action. Simple price action. Money power, I showed you market mood, guys. Total capitulation. Nobody believe in Arbitrum at all. Monthly, yes, we can drop down, but I don't think so. We will. Last here is a daily. Of course, we will move from level to level. So this is going to be, if we build something like this structure, it's going to be the bullish momentum. So now it's really important, guys, go over then firstly 50 cents. After that, go over then $1.23, and we talk about potential all-time high. So everything also should be in time, you know. And trade on the last indicator. Let's focus on the daily here, as that was the last signal to sell. August, take profit, buy. So the wealth accumulates. Of course, it's intraday trades like buy, bounce. Weekly, still no signals to buy. But I think soon we will see these signals to buy. So sell. Let's add alert to buy also on a weekly. Yes, buy. So guys, all targets, I showed you the idea. I explained it. I don't think so. We will drop under 10 cents. But if you believe in it, you can add alerts and wait the 10 cents. I'm more about some pullbacks on alts. I'm not sure about the crazy altcoin season, but I think if it's, I repeat again, if it's a real reversal move on our market, I think we will get like January, February, March, April, May, maybe 5 months for main performance of the alts, and that's it. And we can go into the main bear market. If the cycle extended, yes, maybe some alts will perform in November, because you can open up the charts of 2021. Some alts perform in April, May, after that correction. And like ADA, for example, Cardano, Algorand's pump it after that in autumn again. So maybe we will see something like this one, spring, and after that autumn, and crash it down. So just in case, guys, if you would like to trade with my customer service, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.